This Filipino language lesson is part 3 of our Tagalog Antonyms series, where we are going to use the 75 pairs of opposite Tagalog words that we learned in our previous video. First, we have Luagan. Luagan, meaning loosen. Opposite word, higpitan. Higpitan, tighten. For example, paano ko ba luluwagan itong tornilyo? Paano means how, ko is I, itong or the short form tong is this, tornilyo means screw. Paano ko ba luluwagan tong tornilyo? Meaning, how do I loosen the screw? Next, kinailangan naming higpitan ang sinturon namin nang mawalan ng trabaho ang asawa ko. Kinailangan means needed, namin is we or us, sinturon is belt, mawalan is to lose something, trabaho is a job or work, and asawa is a gender-neutral word that means husband or wife. Kinailangan naming higpitan ang sinturon namin nang mawala ng trabaho ang asawa ko. Meaning, we had to tighten our belts when my husband lost his job. Dumating. Dumating. Arrive or the past aspect arrived. Opposite word, umalis. Umalis. Leave or left. Sa wakas, dumating din ang package ko pagkatapos ng ilang araw na paghihintay. Sa wakas means finally, pagkatapos is after, ilang araw is several days, and paghihintay is waiting. Sa wakas, dumating din ang package ko pagkatapos ng ilang araw na paghihintay. My package finally arrived after several days of waiting. Umalis ang tren sa istasyon sa eksaktong oras. Tren is of course train, istasyon is station, eksakto is exact, and oras means time. Umalis ang tren sa istasyon sa eksaktong oras. The train left the station right on time. Payagan. Payagan. Allow. Opposite word, ipagbawal. Ipagbawal. Forbid. Dapat payagan ng mga magulang ang kanilang mga anak na malayang magpahayag ng kanilang opinyon. Dapat means should or must, mga magulang is parents, kanila means their, mga anak is children, malaya is free or freely, magpahayag is to express one's thoughts, and opinion is of course opinion. Dapat payagan ng mga magulang kanilang mga anak na malayang magpahayag ng kanilang opinyon. Parents must allow their children to express their opinions freely. Malinaw na ipinagbabawal sa karatula ang paninigarilyo sa lugar na ito. Malinaw means clear or clearly, karatula is signboard, paninigarilyo is smoking, lugar is place or area, and ito means this. Malinaw na ipinagbabawal sa karatula ang paninigarilyo sa lugar na ito. The signboard clearly forbids smoking in this area. Umakyat. Umakyat. To go up or ascend. Opposite word. Bumaba. Bumaba. Go down or descend. Naniniwala ka ba na umaakyat sa langit ang kaluluwa natin? Naniniwala means believing. Langit is sky or heaven. Kaluluwa is soul and natin is our. Naniniwala ka ba na umaakyat sa langit ang kaluluwa natin? Do you believe that our souls ascend to heaven? Nagsimula nang bumaba ang eroplano. Nagsimula means started or began. Ang is the and eroplano is airplane. Nagsimula nang bumaba ang eroplano. The airplane began to descend. Dalhin. Dalhin. Bring. Opposite word. Iwanan. Iwanan. To leave something behind. Huwag mong kalimutang dalhin ang payong mo. Uulan ngayon. Huwag means don't. Kalimutan is to forget. Payong is umbrella. Mo is your. Uulan is will rain or going to rain. And ngayon is today. Huwag mong kalimutang dalhin ang payong mo. Uulan ngayon. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. It's going to rain today. Iwanan mo sa pinto ang sapatos mo para hindi madumihan ng sahig. Pinto is door, sapatos is shoes, para is so that, hindi is no or not, madumihan is to get dirty, and sahig is floor. Iwanan mo sa pinto ang sapatos mo para hindi madumihan ng sahig. Leave your shoes at the door to keep the floor from getting dirty. Ibunyag. Ibunyag. Meaning, reveal. Opposite words, itago or ilihim. Itago, ilihim. Meaning to keep something secret or to conceal. Hindi niya ibubunyag ang sikreto. Hindi means no or not and sikreto is secret. Hindi niya ibubunyag ang sikreto. She wouldn't reveal the secret. Halos hindi niya maitago ang galit niya. Halos hindi means barely. Niya is she or her and galit is anger. Halos hindi niya maitago ang galit niya. She could barely conceal her anger. Hiramin. Hiramin. Borrow. Opposite word. Isauli. Isauli. Return. Pwede ko bang hiramin ang camera mo? Pwede is can or may, and mo is your. Pwede ko bang hiramin ang camera mo? May I borrow your camera? Kailangan kong ibalik ang damit na ito sa mall kasi masyadong masikip. Kailangan means to return. Damit is clothes or shirt. Ito is this. Kasi means because. Masyado is too much and masikip is tight. Kailangan kong ibalik ang damit na ito sa mall kasi masyadong masikip. I need to return this shirt to the mall because it's too tight. Magtiwala. Magtiwala. To trust. Opposite word. Magduda. Magduda. To doubt. Huwag kang magtitiwala sa lahat ng nababasa mo. Huwag means don't, lahat is all or everything, nababasa is can be read, and mo means you. Huwag kang magtitiwala sa lahat ng nababasa mo. Don't trust everything you read. Nagsimula akong magduda sa sarili kong kakayahan dahil sa mga pangungutya nila. Nagsimula means started, ako is I, sarili is self or own, ko is my, kakayahan means abilities, dahil sa is because of, pangungutya is ridicule, nila is their. Nagsimula akong magduda sa sarili kong kakayahan dahil sa mga pangungutya nila. I started to doubt my own abilities because of their ridicule. Tandaan. Tandaan. Meaning, remember. Opposite word, kalimutan. Kalimutan. Forget. Tandaan mo ang mga petsa ng pagsusulit. Petsa means date and pagsusulit is exam or test. Tandaan mo ang mga petsa ng pagsusulit. Meaning, remember the dates of the test. Hindi mo dapat kalimutan ang mga dati mong kaibigan. Hindi means not, mo is you or your, dapat is should, dati is former or previous, and kaibigan is friend. Hindi mo dapat kalimutan ang mga dati mong kaibigan. You shouldn't forget your old friends. Ngumiti. Ngumiti. Meaning, to smile. Opposite word, sumimangot. Sumimangot. Frown. Ngumiti siya nang makita niya siya. Makita means to see. Ngumiti siya nang makita niya siya. She smiled when she saw him. Huwag kang sumimangot, papangit ka. Papangit means will get ugly or will become unattractive, and ka is you. Huwag kang sumimangot, papangit ka. Don't frown, you'll get ugly.